How to restore your WhatsApp message on iPhone. First, you have to back up your WhatsApp. To do that, open up your WhatsApp and click on settings at the bottom. Click on the option chats. Click on the option chat backup. From over here, make sure include video is on as well. Otherwise, only your text will be backed up without any video. But if you don't want the, photos and videos to be backed up, you can turn it off and click on backup now. Once you do that, your WhatsApp will start to back up all your photos, videos, and chat. Once it's backed up, what you can do is remember which Apple ID is on your iPhone. So right now on this iPhone, I have Jake, that's my Apple ID. So if I want to restore my WhatsApp again in another phone, I need to log in into my Jake Apple ID. Once I log in into my Apple ID, I can open WhatsApp. Once I open WhatsApp, I just need to click on restore backup when I first use WhatsApp by logging into my account. Once I do that, all the backup which I just did on my Apple ID is going to be backed up into my other WhatsApp or my other phone's WhatsApp through Apple ID. That's how you guys can restore WhatsApp message on iPhone. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.